those are the visuals of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman reaching her new office, that is the Kartavya Bhavan. We have been discussing about the lot of expectations and the burden of responsibility that she has, particularly in the times that we are living in. That's where the first set of visuals will be coming in. We'll continue to look at those visuals, but remember at the start of the budget session, Prime Minister Modi had highlighted about the big takeaway which is likely to be of this budget, which is going to be, which he said, Reforms Express, something that happened last year in terms of the direct and indirect taxes. Remember, in the month of October, we saw the next generation GST reforms, and then this sense is that this budget will again be about consolidating that reforms. The reforms agenda of the Modi government is likely to be reflected also in this budget, which is likely to come in the customs area or the customs zone. Let's listen into what the Prime Minister said, and then I bring in others.
देश का ध्यान बजट की तरफ होना बहुत स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन इस सरकार की ये पहचान रही है रिफॉर्म, परफॉर्म एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म। और अब तो हम रिफॉर्म एक्सप्रेस पर चल पड़े हैं, बहुत तेजी से चल पड़े हैं। हमारे हर निर्णय में राष्ट्र की प्रगति ये हमारा लक्ष्य है, लेकिन हमारे सारे निर्णय ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक है। हमारी भूमिका, हमारी योजनाएं ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक है। हम टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ स्पर्धा भी करेंगे, हम टेक्नोलॉजी को आत्मसात भी करेंगे, हम टेक्नोलॉजी के सामर्थ्य को स्वीकार भी करेंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हम मानव केंद्रीय व्यवस्था को जरा भी कम नहीं आंकेंगे।
And I'm going to go straight to where Finance Minister is right now, and that is where Karishma Sudani is joining us live from. Karishma, the entire Finance Ministry moved to Kartavya Bhavan just few months ago, and the first set of visuals will be coming in from there. That's where the Bahi Khata will be displayed to the entire country, the image of the Bahi Khata. So give us a sense of what should we be expecting in the next few hours.
A tablet form of Bahi Khata, in fact, which also kind of signifies that the government has moved towards a more digital transformation of the Indian budget also. As you must have seen the visuals, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman entered a while ago. The creme de la creme of the Finance Ministry, who are the budget makers, which constitutes of a really new team, Maria, now. And I must really bring this out to viewers that the Secretary Economic Affairs is actually a woman secretary, which has not happened in the longest time, Anuradha Thakur. So the budget making team, while I'm sure it has a lot of other people joining in, at the helm of it stands two important women, one Finance Minister herself and Secretary DEA from Department of Economic Affairs, followed by other, of course, veterans and newly appointed government officials also who will be at the helm of this. The latest being Chairman CBIC, who only recently joined in the month of December and was tasked to bring this major custom reforms, which is likely going to be announced in today's budget. What happens now is, in a few minutes from now, you will see that a Finance Minister along with her A-team will be here for a photo opportunity before they proceed to the Parliament, and of course to take in the President's acceptance also on this budget. At 11 a.m. This is Finance Minister will preside over presenting this budget in the Parliament. We are expecting that her speech is going to put emphasis and focus on Part B, which is going to be on direct and indirect taxation. Throughout the day, we are going to see a lot of important announcement on India's annual financial statement for FY27, that is the year to come, basis on which there will also be a media interaction for followed, and a lot of course, reactions and suggestions and views coming in from India Inc., who kind of form the backbone of taking forward India's economy to a 7% growth rate, which the government has been predicting.